people, this is the Munchie guy and you're welcome back to a new video. So right now I'm in Mira Road, which is like the center for the chicken. So before starting the day, I'll start off with a chai at the Qutub Irani and Bun Maskar, which is located right opposite to the CCD at Naya Nagar in Mira Road. They do have sitting tables to have a chit chat with the chai, which is prepared on the hot charcoal. And then milk infused with malai is constantly on the boil, ready to be served. Right here I have the amazing chai, which is like you can see the malai added into this. So let's take a sip of the malai first and then the chai. Man, this is the authentic Nagori tea which you can try in Mira Road. You won't get anything as authentic as this one. It is like the most authentic you could get anywhere. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, लाइक किधर भी जाओ इससे बढ़िया चाय तुम्हें कहीं पे नहीं मिलने वाला है. एंड देन ये बन मस्का, आप यूजुअली देखोगे कि लाइक जो भी बन मस्का एंड ऑल रहता है, लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट द बन दिस लाइक दिस, इट्स लाइक सी यू कैन सी इट्स लाइक कम्प्लीटली सॉफ्ट. इट हैज़ बिन लाइक फ्रेशली बेक्ड ओवर हियर. लाइक दूसरी जगह पे आप जब जाते हो तो वहाँ पे कैसे लाइक वो बाहर से बंस ऑर्डर करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है. लाइक वो उनका खुद का बंस बनाते हैं. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट. एक चाय में डिप करते हैं. चीयर्स. This is the most satisfying flavor I have ever had. Like talking about the bun, the sour flavor which you get from the bun, it is like the dominant, and the sweetness as well as the smokiness from the chai, वो जो ऐसा मिक्स होता है ना, जब क्या टेस्ट आ रहा है. I would recommend you come over here. Like आप कभी भी आओ, ये शॉप है ना, like it's open from morning 7 I guess. I'm not sure about, don't quote me on this, but then like ये शॉप morning 7 से लेकर रात के 10 बजे तक चालू रहती है. और एल्स यू कैन कम एनी टाइम, लाइक ऐसा दोपहर के 11 बजे आओ, दोपहर के 3 बजे आओ, 6 बजे आओ, you will get the chai. Like this chai is the perfect one for the chai lovers. Come here at the Qutub Irani tea and Bun Maska and let me know in the comments, like at the rating of 1 to 10, like how amazing the chai was. Well, now let's start off with our day with the next location, which is a chicken oriented restaurant, or you can say a branch, where they serve one of the amazing fried chicken. It is known as Fried Nation. So let's have a look at the location. So like finally our order is here. Like I don't know where should I start with the chicken wings, which have been bolstered with the extreme spices. You can see like the redness. Here I have the burger. Like talking about the burger, here they have like the patties, some lettuce, and at the bottom they have the like loads of mayonnaise. So let's start with the burger. Like I'm just gonna take one bite and let you people judge like how tasty it could be. Perfect chicken burger you could have. Like talking about the brands like KFC and all, like ये वैसा नहीं है, ये उससे भी बढ़कर है. बस ये ज़रा सा ड्राई है, जिसकी वजह से like जो मेयोनीज है वो ज़रा क्रीमी है, not as at all sour. But they're talking about the bun is like extremely soft. you won't need to worry anything about the bun. But then talking about the chicken and the bun together, it was kind of a grab. But then, well, you got the ketchup to bang over the bun, and it will taste great. So I'll start talking about the fries which have been accompanied. I took a combo of the burger, the fried chicken, one thumbs up, which is just for rupees 150. And moving on to the fries, you can see these fries are like very thinly sliced. Henceforth, these are like very crispy. Like, I don't know the mic will be capturing this or no, but then let's try this. Like talking about the McD as well as you people might be familiar with the McD as well as the KFC fries, but these are different. It has a kind of a greasy taste, which is like good to taste, but then you can go with them. I'm here like solely for the fried chicken, as the name suggests, Fried Nation. This is what, oh, it's extremely hot. Like you can see the spices which have been coated, and the chicken, it's like so crispy. It literally falls apart. So let's dig in. Oh. Man, this is like the soul food. Like अगर आप मीरा रोड में हो और आप फ्राइड चिकन नहीं खाए हो तो फिर आपने अभी तक कुछ खाया नहीं है. लाइक मैं रिकमेंड करता हूँ यहाँ पे आओ. लाइक रिकमेंड पहले ही कर रहा हूँ बिना विंग्स ट्राई किए. लाइक विंग्स का साइज़ आप देख सकते हो. लाइक इतना बड़ा है. लाइक पूरा चिकन विंग्स है. जबकि आप KFC में जाते हो, लाइक मैं इसको KFC से इसलिए कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि लाइक जो यूजुअली हम लोग फ्राइड चिकन खाते हैं वो मोस्टली KFC या किसी लाइक रेस्टोरेंट बार का होता है. बट देन यहाँ पे सिर्फ फ्राइड चिकन का भी शॉप्स है. लाइक दिस इज़ नॉट द ओनली प्लेस यू कैन ट्राई. There are many different locations where you can try, but in this one, the Fried Nation, it is like the go-to place, like according to me, which you can try. So let's dig into the wings. It is like just like the chicken. It is like being coated with the spices and crispy too. Yes. This is like crunchy on the outside and juicy and tender in the inside. Like you can see the juices. The meat, it literally falls apart from the bone. Like ये ट्राई करना चाहिए. जब तक आप इसे ट्राई नहीं करते हैं ना तब तक आपको टेस्ट नहीं समझेगा. जो स्पाइसेस उन्होंने ऊपर से लाइक डाले वो कम्प्लीट एकदम ऐसा चटपटा फ्लेवर रहता है ना वैसा है. एंड KFC का कैसा ज़रा सा स्पाइसी रहता है, थोड़ा सा सार रहता है. तो लाइक ऐसा खाने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. बट लाइक अगर आप हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो तो फिर लाइक ध्यान रखना. दिस इज़ लाइक द being it as a soul food or a fried food, it is like comforting, but then it's not that healthy. Like talking about this location, it is like solely famous for the fried chicken. So not they have like variety of fried chickens, like starting with the burgers. Like you have the burgers over here, they have a variety of burgers, then the grilled burgers, and then the fried chicken. Like you can get the fried chicken just for rupees 50, and even the chicken popcorn, chicken strips, chicken wings, chicken nuggets, and many more. And if you are on a budget, like here, you can opt from the various variety of cows they have prepared for you. So like I'll suggest you, please come over here and try it. Like you won't regret it. Like this is the soul. Like this is the soul chicken food which you can try in Mira Road. Like you will love it. So I recommend you come and try it over here and let me know in the comments like how did you find the chicken over here. Like as compared to the KFC and all the big brands, this is like the made in India brand which have opened like 4 outlets, out of which one is in Malad. I did not know that in personally. I just came to know right now. So now let's skip to the next location, which is known as Kusum Rolls. Like you can see over here, it is like a brand, or you can see it is like a store which is like directly moved from Kolkata right to Mumbai here in Mira Road. So let's see how these rolls have been made. I've ordered the single egg and single chicken. अगर आपको वेज खाना है तो फिर आप यहाँ पे आके वेजिटेरियन भी मंगा सकते हो. तो लाइक ये इसमें लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा वेराइटीज़ है. लाइक आपको एक सिंगल चिकन, सिंगल एग, डबल एग, सिंगल चिकन, लाइक ऐसा बहुत वेराइटीज़ है. आपके एपेटाइट के हिसाब से आप अपना खुद का बना सकते हो. लाइक आपकी पसंद नापसंद के अपना खुद का क्रिएशन भी बना सकते हो. तो अभी भाई चिकन वाले बना रहे हैं. have the kusum rolls, which is directly from Kolkata to Mumbai. So like this, you can see the flakiness. Like here, this is the flakiness you can of the roti. It is like been freshly made, just like you saw in the kitchen. तो फिर चलो try करते हैं. फर्स्ट बाइट में चिकन नहीं आया, बट देन जो रोटी और एग का जो टेस्ट है मस्त जा रहा. उसके साथ में थोड़ा सा ऐसा चिली सॉस एंड केचप का टेस्ट है. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द बिग बाइट. Wow, the chicken in this, it's like so juicy. Like you can see, like this, the chunks of chicken with the caramelized onions. This is the thing you should crave for. It is like it's marinated in some tandoor spices, but then the addition of the sauces, like it was basically tomato sauce, chili sauce, that's it, and maybe a hint of lemon, which is like necessary in the tandoori chicken. But then I'll hog on to this, and I think this is more than enough, because the chicken I just tried and even this chicken, it's becoming like just chicken ही हो रहा है. तो अभी कुछ ऐसा वेज खाना है या फिर बस यार या स्वीट ट्राई करते हैं कुछ. In Mira Road, you cannot miss out the Rasaj Mall Food Center. It's not exactly Rasaj Mall, but it's opposite to the Rasaj Mall. तो यहाँ पे like आपको बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी मिलती है. Like start करते हैं यहाँ पे शॉर्मा मिलेगा, यहाँ पे like चिकन पिज़्ज़ा, चिकन ग्रिल सैंडविच, फ्रैंकीज, पिज़्ज़ाज, एंड देन यहाँ पे like लाइन में पूरा ऐसा सोडा, पानी पूरी, मेंदू वड़ा एंड एवरीथिंग. लाइक ये देखना चाइनीज़ है यहाँ पे. फिर यहाँ पे लाइक पाव भाजी, यहाँ का पाव पैटीज लाइक बहुत फेमस है. एंड आई टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक यहाँ पे देखना ये साउथ इंडियन मिल गया. फिर वहाँ पे लाइक जूसेस है. सो इट्स बेसिकली लाइक यू विल गेट मेनी मोर वैरायटी ऑफ डिशेज इन दिस रीजन itself, in this area itself. So like I would suggest come and try over here, but I'm here for the fresh juice, which is like the amazing. I have ordered the black grapes one. ये कुछ तो ऐसा लाइक एकदम रिफ्रेशिंग लगा. मैं सोचा कि वाटरमेलन ले लूँ या फिर एक बनाना स्मूदी, बनाना मिल्कशेक लूँ, which is just for ₹20. You can imagine for just ₹20 you get a banana milkshake over here. This is like a cheap street food joint, where not a street food joint, this is like a cheap street food hub which you can say. So like let's finish this up. Cheers. Man, I can finish this in like just one sip. Like the freshness from the grapes, he did not remove the seeds in the juicer, but then it was like, it is like very refreshing. Like the when you can taste the seeds, the taste of the seeds, which hits like at the end of your tongue, that is where you get to know he did not remove the seeds. But if he removed the seeds, it would be the like the perfect one. So let's end this video over here. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, keep eating, keep enjoying. Peace. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, as well as do subscribe to the channel.